Have you ever thrown away all bananas just because they look like these? Have you ever done it? Well, after today's video, you don't need to do it again. I'm gonna show you the best thing what to do with these old bananas, and that is banana fritters. For banana fritters, you will only need a few simple ingredients. It's easy peasy. Let's have a look. You only need all bananas, a little bit of flour, a little bit of your seasoning. I use nutmeg and cinnamon, and coconut oil. Well, you can use any other oil, but coconut oil is the best because it does really give it a nice flavor. To start them fritters, you have to peel them all bananas and mash them up. Peel them, mash them up in the bowl. Now mash up the bananas with fork as much as you can. Mash it up. Now the next thing you have to do is just to put some flour. Just do it by eye. Just do it by eye. About this much. Mix it together. If you think you need to add more, just add a bit more. Mix it together. Mix it until the texture is like this. When the flour is mixed in, put a bit of your seasoning, nutmeg, and cinnamon. Mix it. Now we slowly move into the frying part. Use a lot of coconut oil for the fritters. The pan needs to be heated up. For the fritters you have to use whole heap of loads of oil, and make sure the oil is hot. It has to be hot. So when loads of oil is hot, then you can start putting the fritters in. But I think my oil is not so hot yet. It literally needs to be really hot, boiling. Alright, now it looks like it's really hot. So all what you need to do, take a spoon, and make a little fritter. When you see the bottom is getting dark, it's time to turn it over. That smells so nice. The blend of the banana, cinnamon, nutmeg and the coconut oil, that is really the best combination. Look, it looks like it's just done. Looks like our banana fritters is just done. Look at this. It does smell really nice with the coconut oil, and the coconut oil give it really good taste. I think it doesn't even worth it to do it on normal cooking oil. The coconut oil really does give it a tropical taste. Alright, now when the fritters are done, you can also top it up with anything what you like. You can put blueberries on the top, strawberries, raspberries. You can also put ice cream on the top. You can put a whipped cream on the top. Anything what you're thinking about. Let's try it now. So hot. It's so nice. It's so nice because it's like fried on the sides, but the inside, the middle part, is still like soggy and like so soft. That is really nice. Really nice combination, and really the best thing what you can do with all bananas. You would be really surprised how all bananas can turn into something so delicious.